get the newly installed fan. It's a little bit complicated because of the bracket won't fit on the inside, but otherwise it looks pretty good. Um, there is a slight difference in the hole, so you have to use a filer to open up the hole a little bit more in order for it to work. So, but it looks better. This is the light, remote. So that's the remote, and you can put it on low, medium, high. High, even on high, it's quiet. So there's a switch for the light. So there's three different colors. So a little bit yellow, a daylight, and this is the other one. Overall, it's great. If you have any question on how to install it, just put your question. And this is a good one. I got it on eBay for about $110, but it's worth it.